I was in the military for a little while, about 24 and a half years. I spent most of the time as a special agent with the U.S. Army's Criminal Investigation Division. My last official duty station was at Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri, where I taught Advanced Law Enforcement Division practices and other types of courses. At Fort Leonard Wood, it is a purple post, so it's got all the services there: Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard. And one of the things that they put all the instructors through is instructor training and learning how to teach in small groups. Those were some of the qualities, the classifications, the training that I went through to prepare me to actually teach in a smaller class setting. Hello, I'm Dr. Eugene Matthews, Associate Professor of Criminal Justice here at Park University. After 9/11, I was put in charge of the Police Intelligence Operations Training Branch and developed the core curriculum and the doctrine that's used even today for police intelligence operations across military operations. From there, I retired, and my first non-military job was at Lincoln University. It's a historical black college university in Jefferson, Missouri. I spent some time there, about 7 years or so, teaching criminal justice courses, criminology, criminal investigations, crime analysis, and some other courses. An opportunity opened here to come teach at Park University. They were looking for somebody with my skill set and experiences, and so I migrated here. I've been at Park since 2014, and I've enjoyed all my teaching time here. My personal faith impacts my job here and probably just my life because it gives me some grounding. It gives me a solid foundation on which to draw my strength from and to pass things on. So when troubles come, and troubles always come, rather than climbing into a corner or crawling into some other dark space, you have an opportunity to turn that into a positive. And I looked on my faith as giving me that opportunity. It gives me an option. What I enjoy most about my work, in addition to meeting new students and helping them navigate their academic journey, allowing them to expand and explore on whether they want to get into criminal justice or what facet of criminal justice they want to get into, is UAS drones. So that's been really kind of the mainstay of what's been most exciting lately. It's a diversion from what I typically would teach, is just the criminal justice courses. This is much more specific. It's a little bit more technical, and it has a lot of value added in a variety of different fields and different fields and industries in a way that's most beneficial. And I think the term we use is a force multiplier rather than a force replacement.